action. Testing. Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting show. Sorry, let's keep it PG. Okay, so for today's project, I'm going to show you guys how I made a stackable herb garden in the city. Okay, well I haven't made it yet, but we're gonna make it together. Us, you, me, together. One. Okay, so I bought these tiers online. I have 5 of these tiers. This is the color they came in. They do come in other colors. However, at that time I purchased this. So we are going to transform this and we are going to plant herbs, seeds. We're going to plant seeds and then those seeds are herbs. We're going to plant herb seeds. What do you think about that? I don't think it's impossible to have an herb garden in my balcony, so we're gonna get to it just now. I got this brush on Amazon for $1. And then I purchased this paint. This is non-toxic paint. You can use it on cement, on plastic, on a lot of things. So I will be painting these planters.
Okay, now we're into painting. I was so satisfied with the quality of the paint. I got it at Michael's and had it sent to my house. I did 3 layers on the outside and then 2 layers on the inside, and it came out like this. I let that dry and filled the other tiers with dirt. I did place a used dryer sheet on the bottom to prevent the soil from dripping.
Okay, this dirt was so dry. I'm going to be wetting this because it's not supposed to be this dry.
Okay, so the hack with the dryer sheet is that it has to be used and you place it on the bottom of the pot to cover all the holes. You cover it with the soil, and when you water your plants, you won't have a mess of soil coming out from the bottom of the pot.
Okay, some of the herbs I got: dill, basil, thyme, mint, oregano, parsley, rosemary, chives. I have recao, which you can't find that here. I got this off of Etsy. It's straight from Puerto Rico. I have cilantro. I have mixed lettuce. I also have edible flowers, which I think is gonna be really cool. And then I have some peppers. All 3 are from Puerto Rico, actually. But those will be going in their own container.
Okay, I had a really cool idea and I wanted to label all of the herbs. So I grabbed a piece of cardboard and I used whiteout to write the names of the herbs. I cut them into their individual labels and then I covered them with tape to prevent them from getting washed off when I watered my plants. Then I used these sticks that I got from the dollar store and I hot glued them, and this is what they look like. Pretty easy, as you can see. Flex with it. Then I grabbed all of the seeds, and I had looked up previously online which herbs should go with which herbs. So I made sure I put in each tier herbs that would thrive together. Just to give you an example, I combined basil, cilantro, parsley, and recao in one tier. I did the mixed lettuce with spinach and dill. In another tier, I did thyme, oregano, rosemary, and lavender, chives and mint on the bottom, and edible flowers on the top. I gave these a little splish splash with taking a bath moment. Big reveal. Oh, okay. I love it. This is looking really good. I loved how I used seeds, but remember, you can use actual herbs already grown out. You can find more information of the items used down below.
Did you guys have fun? I think it came out really nice and I'm really happy and excited to show the process of the germination. When they start popping up, I'm obviously going to be doing updates on my Instagram, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out, Girl Scout!